Alright, alright. We're going to be plating the threes of soft kinky. I know everyone have been waiting for this, so let's just do this. Oh yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing. And if it's your first time to subscribe, please just give me your time today, because I'm going to be showing you a lot about plating the soft kinky braids and more other protective hairstyle that you can get to know when you're at this YouTube channel. So as usual, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I always start. You can see how I do my boxes and I apply the gel. I always tell that the gel help me to collect all the hair. So I cut the box into 3 portions and I do it this way, you're saying, and I bring the first one, the third one down, and this one up, just like that, and then I just try to plate it this way. So I want to show you how I always begin, because most of you guys, you know how to play the threes. So I want to show you in this video. Mostly I want to show you how to start and how to end. So those are the things that we're going to be seeing in this video, so that you can also try to plate it my way and see. You see how it looks very nice. I just cut it into 3 portions, as you can see my box, and then after I try to roll it this way. You see how it is. Then I just bring my kinky that way, 3 side down and this up. Very simple. Yes, very simple. I know you can try this also at home. You can try it wherever you are, and trust me, you will get to know how to play it kinky, because most people they always get scared to play it this kinky. They think it's hard, it's going to break their hair. But trust me, when you start it this way in a knotless format, trust me, you won't break it, won't break your hair at all. And I'm going to show you like the easiest way on how after plating this style, you can spend like a month and then you can lock it, and it comes back when it looks new again. So this is the only way you can do it. You see how I do it? I first apply my gel, yes, just like that. And remember, I told you in my videos, like, gel always help me to collect all the hair. So I just try to this is my soft kinky, and this is how I apply it in just 3. I get the other one up, I insert it that way, and this one down, chop, yes, sorry, and here I bring it up. So let me try to give you the tips on this one. Mostly people do mistakes while plating this soft kinky. There are those people who like a lot, like they like packed hair. But don't try to do this mistake. Like let's say these sides I've used and you make it packed. That is not good at all. In fact, you should be careful, like when you're plating in front, you shouldn't pack it a lot, because if someone want to stay with it for a long time, it won't protect her hair at all. So if you want to pack, try to reduce on the size, you understand. So for me, I'm doing this medium size. That's why I'm trying to do it in this box format, you understand. But it's very very dangerous when someone want this size like the one I'm doing, and you want it packed. So that one, it's not good at all. So you should mind about that. Don't pack it when using this size. You should always use it like on the small size. It's when you can pack it the way you want when the kink is small. So this is how I keep on. It's just a matter of parting in the 3 portions, as you can see. Let me show you here very well. Look at me careful. You see, just 3. You see, this way, and after I get 1, you see, just like that. And this when I bring my kinky, I insert it this way. This goes up, this goes down, and the remaining one follow this, just like that. Very simple, very very simple. Yeah, the only thing is just keep on trying. Just try to keep on trying it at home or everywhere you are. You can try this. And I want to shout out to all our friends who are watching right now. And if it's your first time to watch me on this YouTube channel, just know more videos are coming. Yes, so please, I beg you to give me your time, and trust me, at least you'll get to learn something from my tutorials. The only thing you can do, just subscribe so that we can do it together and we get to learn. And if you have any question, please go in my comment section and you send me a question so that I'll be there to answer you, and we can share the ideas. So it's the same steps that we're taking. I want to shout out all our friends who are watching right now, United States of America, those ones in Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, United Emirates. Guys, you're doing a great work. Thank you so much for supporting us. Yes, thank you so much for watching our tutorials. So please, if you're first time to watch us, please, you can also leave a comment section. You can say hi to us. We shall be there for you. So this is the way that we keep on doing the threes. I told you I'm just going to be showing you how to start and how to end. So let me show you how you can end this braiding, because we all know how to plait the threes. So the only thing is to start and the ending. So let's do the ending. When you're doing the ending, you try to make sure up to you plait it up to the according to the height you want. So that's why for me, when I'm plating, I try to measure. Yes, I try to measure here to see how I want it. Then after I hold it this way, you see the focus. Yes, then I hook it that way, like chop. You see, just that way. Then it's the same thing. I try to put it up. You understand? And you can see it well. But let me try to focus. You try to take it up. Let me try to focus. I'm sorry. Yes, that way. Let me try to focus here. Yes, okay, you got it. So that's how you keep on looking. You block it going upwards. Looking at this one help, like when you're going to lock, you will just put the hook just there. Yes, just here, then you lock it. So see how amazing my braids looks. You see, very soft and lovely. You see, I love it. Yes, I love it. Very soft and lovely. So I can leave her for like a month or 1.5 or even 2. Then after, she can come back and we do the repair. That's how I always do it. So let's hold the puff. Yes, let's hold the puff, and I show you how the puff is supposed to be very small, because when you pack it a lot and becomes too much, you won't be able to hold that little puff that will help you. Like, it will be easy for you to maintain, and it won't be heavy on your head. So that's how you should keep on doing it this way. So I love you so much. Just know, and I sign out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Keep loving hair zipper, and I'm going to give you more tips on plating the threads of Software Kinky. I want to show you how you can make it look this soft. So please just subscribe, so that my next video that I'm bringing for you, you'll be able to be the first to watch them. I love you so much, and I sign out. Mwah.